Good morning, Grand Forks and the Grand Forks area. Thank you for tuning into this morning edition weather update. My name is Justin Storm. Taking a look at our Skycam now, looking mostly cloudy out there for the Grand Forks area with that gentle wind out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will be increasing to about 15 to 20, gusting up to 30 into the afternoon, sitting right around 28 degrees right now for the Grand Forks area. But why don't we take a look at our headlines? So again, that wind today will persist through the afternoon with gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Coming to the weekend, we have a chance of hitting 50 and 54 degrees, but with that, we do have a chance of rain that you'll see here in our futurecast. Taking a look at our weather hazards now through the Red River Valley, through Fargo and Grand Forks, including in those flood river warnings we'll talk about here in just a second, through southern North Dakota, down into Aberdeen through South Dakota, including most of southern Minnesota and stretching up into Brainerd. Now if we take a look at these flood forecasts, this top graph is for Wahpeton, looking like they already crested at 15 feet in their moderate flood stage. It just means that the water is moving a little bit further north now. This is the Fargo forecast now, expecting to hit about 35 feet come the 8th and 9th of April. Now if we work our way to the Grand Forks flood forecast, right now we're sitting right around that 24 feet of water right now as we approach minor flood staging, and we are expected to continue increasing to about 45 feet come 10th and 11th of April. This bottom graph is a probability map, and basically all that it's saying is that we're expecting to be about 45 to 50 feet of water. Again, this is still a week out, so we will continue to update you on our flood and our river levels as we get closer to that major flood stage. Regional temperatures now 38 in Crosby, 38 in Williston, 38 in Dickinson. As we work our way to the eastern or central part of North Dakota, it begins to cool off a little bit. 36 up in Minot, 34 in Harvey, and down into Linton sitting at 34 degrees. Into the Grand Forks area, again 28 in Grand Forks, 27 in Mahnomen, and 32 in Fargo. Now, if we compare this to the rest of the country, most of the country being dominated by these blue temperatures, 48 in Portland, 58 in LA, down into Dallas, 64, 65 in New Orleans, and Miami being our warmest spot as usual at 71 degrees. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight severe outbreak for the Louisiana area. You'll see here in our satellite and radar, they do have a system working their way through, bringing them many super strong thunderstorms through the area, so hopefully everyone down there can remain safe. This system will continue to push off into the east into the day to come. Into the Grand Forks area, not too much going on. We do have some rain through the Aberdeen area, stretching up into Fargo now, and looking like our first thunderstorm rolling through North Dakota up into Minot, which will continue to work its way through northern North Dakota come into this afternoon. Now into our futurecast now, looking like this system will continue to work its way before it pushes off into the northeast. Come Friday afternoon into Friday night, we do have a cold front pushing through before it transitions into a warm front, which will bring another slight chance of precip to the Fargo area. Working our way into Saturday and Sunday, we do have another chance of rain through the Grand Forks area, but this will push on out and working our way into Monday, looking like mostly cloudy conditions. So this will bring us into our day planner now, 9 o'clock, sitting at 29 degrees, that south wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. By 1 o'clock, 36, again, those winds increasing 15 to 20 miles per hour, and by 5 o'clock, expecting our high of 42 degrees with that south wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting all the way on up to 30. So this will bring us into our forecast now, expecting that high temperature of 42 degrees, windy with that south wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 30. Tonight cooling off a little bit, still above freezing though, expecting to be 33 degrees with that south wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 25. Tomorrow will be about the same as today, minus the wind, sitting at 43 degrees with that southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Working our way into our 7-day forecast, looking like a warm Saturday and Sunday with 50 and 54 degrees. Again, that 30 and 40% chance of rain. Monday looking like we'll be about 52, and come Tuesday and Wednesday sitting in the mid-40s.